It's becoming a common headline, all Superior Court judges recusing themselves from cases related to the former Governor Ralph Torres. One CNMI House lawmaker says it's time they explain themselves.
For a long time, there's always just been this pattern of recusal for cases that are very important to our public. And, you know, one of the cases in particular is against the previous governor. People want answers.
House lawmaker Flores said the recusals in cases related to the criminal charges filed by the Attorney General against former Governor Ralph Torres have raised many questions from her constituents about what exactly the local court's conflicts of interest are.
Historically, it's just been one sentence: conflict of interest. That doesn't tell the public anything. And the public has a right to know, especially when they are going to retain their judges who are up for retention. It's just as equally as important as selecting your governor or your House of Representative or your senator.
Current rules don't require a judge or justice to identify any disqualifying factor in detail, which Flores said creates inconsistent disclosures. As chair of the Committee on the Judiciary and Governmental Operations, she wants to change that.
We're looking at updating the language. We're also looking at some of the past public laws that have just never been updated, and that's the problem to this.
She said conflicts need to be on the record, even if the reason might be widely known.
We've been in this climate that they're separate from the government. No, they're not. They're co-equal branch of the government. Their functions are different, but we still have to have a check and balance.
Chief Justice Alexandro Castro told KUAM that the court will have an official response once he hears back from other justices and judges. He said it's a serious matter and wants everyone's response on the table. Thomas Manglona, KUAM News, Saipan.